Traveling by airplane can be amusing sometimes to first-time travelers. That's why I've made you this step-by-step video on how to navigate through the airport. Welcome to my channel, it's me Carol Morgans. If you're new here, thanks for clicking in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it interesting. Let's get started. First of all, choose the airline you will like to use for your flight. In doing this, make research on airline costs and prices and compare them with the different airlines to choose the most preferable to you. If you are to travel with luggage bags, endeavor to also research on the baggage policies of that airline and find out if it charges for checked bags and see what their weight and size limitations are for each checked bag. After you're done with choosing your preferable airline, then book your air ticket. In booking, timing plays an important part, cause plane tickets usually tend to be most inexpensive when you book between 3 weeks to 4 months closer to your departure date. Travelers are advised to book their tickets in a period of 6 to 9 months before their travel time because in this period airlines tend to offer best fares. More so, booking on some days like Sunday can save you 15% on your airline ticket than booking on a Friday. You can also choose your seat when booking cause airlines will allow you to select your seat for a fee and your payment will decide your sitting position, whether a business class, premium economy, or economy. Now the next step is packing. You will need to determine what kind of baggage you're gonna travel with, and there are 3 types of bags allowed on board. The first type is called the carry-on bag, and this should be a small suitcase that you will take on plane with you, and it has to fit in the overhead storage compartment. It has a size limit which is 9 inches by 14 inches by 22 inches. You should keep here your essential items. The second one is the personal item bag. This could be a cross bag, a purse, or a backpack. It should contain your travel documents, passport, wallet and ID, plus other essential lightweight small items. And lastly is a checked bag. This has to be larger than the carry-on and suitable for heavy luggage. It will be stored under the plane in its dedicated area for storing luggage. Once you're done packing for your trip, prepare yourself enough time to get to the airport. In most cases it's advisable to arrive 2 hours for domestic flights and 3 hours for international flights before the departure time. When you arrive at the airport, follow the signs for your airline check-in counter to obtain your boarding pass and then head to the baggage drop-off area to hand over your checked bags. After checking in, you will have to proceed to the immigration for your exit stamp or exit checks. Expect to be asked some questions by the immigration officer. Then you will proceed to the security. Here you have to remove your shoes, belts, empty your pockets, hand over your electronic gadgets like laptops and mobile phones into screening bins and your carry-on plus personal item bags to be screened. After going through security, check the departure board for your flight gate number. You can also check it on your boarding pass and endeavor to get there in time because some airports are quite big and finding your gate can be stressful sometimes. Once you get to your gate, pay attention and listen to the announcements for the boarding process. You can also decide to eat or shop since there's good restaurants and shops in the airport. When it's time to board, present your boarding pass and any other necessary travel document to the gate agent. They will scan your boarding pass and direct you the way to your plane. In most cases, families with young children, first-class passengers, and passengers with special needs, board first. During the flight, listen to the safety protocols, fasten your seat belts and feel free to ask questions to the flight attendants where necessary, and don't forget to be good to other passengers. When it's time for meals, just stretch your table in front of your seat for the flight attendant to easily serve you and be patient while waiting for her to take your trays after eating. Closer to your landing, follow the instructions of the flight attendant and fill out any necessary customs and immigration forms. That's why it's always crucial to have a pen on you whenever you plan to board a flight, because you might end up filling forms throughout your entire journey right from your departure to your destination. Upon arrival to your destination, follow the signs to customs and immigration and be ready to be asked questions, and these won't be much different from those you filled in your visa documentations. Just relax and be calm as you reply to them. Then proceed to collect your luggage from the baggage claim area.
Once you have your checked baggage, you can now use the free airport Wi-Fi to call a friend for pickup or purchasing a taxi. Congratulations! You have now navigated through the airport. It's time to explore the country of your dreams. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share because sharing is caring. Love you all. Ciao ciao.